Sure. So my name is Sidney Burks. I'm the founder and CTO of Boundless Digital. And what we do is we help companies, enterprises with their network automation. What that means is that managing computer networks is a really complex task. It's something that's been historically done manually. And when people do things like this that have repetitive, rote, boring components to it, often they make mistakes and bad things happen. And in this case, when the network goes down, the bad thing that happens is that companies lose connectivity and they can lose thousands of dollars per minute. So what we do is we help companies avoid that by putting in place automations to address some of these standardized use cases so that the people who are managing the networks can move on to more important tasks and make less mistakes and be more effective. One of the big problems that we were facing is that we were initially pre-product market fit up until a few months ago. And that means that we were looking at multiple different applications to try to test out the market, see what really worked. And we needed some help to actually move towards making our UI and our UX more homogeneous, more sensible, and actually creating our product in a way that could lead us towards product-led growth once we found product market fit. The reason I looked for UserActive is because they seem to have a really good expertise, particularly in product-led growth, which is one place where we like this on our team. So I needed someone with not only great design skills, but also great business skills, business knowledge, and how to tie those together to help us move to the next level. The service has been really surprisingly great. The team has been capable of understanding the context of our business, understanding the innovative products that we want to bring to the market, some things that don't exist, and borderline reading my mind of what the appropriate solution would be to communicating the value for these products, communicating how to use them in a really clear way, and putting that into a form that's easy to understand on the visual side. So they've been really, really instrumental in taking some of these ideas, which are really abstract and vague, putting them in a concrete form where we can communicate about them and iterate off of them. I've talked about why they are really skilled on the technical side, the professional side. They appear to be some of the world experts in product-led growth, extremely good at design. But my choice, the reason I actually choose UserActive over competitors was for the quality of the people. I got a great feeling from talking with the team. They seem like a great group of people to work with, and it's been exceptional. And even on my team, we seem to have a good connection, good communication, good vibe, which is really important when you're working with people, especially over a long-term project. You really need to make sure that communication, that feeling is there, that connection is there. And I think that's more important than just purely looking for technical expertise. You need people that you can really, really work with and trust. And that's what I found with UserActive. Yes, I think I will continue hiring UserActive. I would even recommend that other people for similar services continue with UserActive. And I will continue working with UserActive for as long as we have design work to be doing.